I just showed a little workshop update on my Gibson ES345 restoration, so look around for that video. But the reason it got delayed too, I was working on some other guitars. So let me give you a quick little tour of what I've been working on. First up is this guitar here. You know what it looks like, you know where this design comes from. I did this for a customer who specifically wants it for heavy down tuning and so on. And my concerns with building a guitar this style, sorry, there's a little bit of dust on it, is that they tend to be very neck heavy. So I wanted to build a version of this guitar that is not neck heavy. And the way I approached that was to at least start with building the body with wood that's a little thicker than normal. So my dimension here is a little thicker than normal. The reason is because I like building these guitars with hard neck woods. I've used an ebony fretboard and I've used a maple neck to give that really great neck stability, string sustain, harmonic overtones and so on, right? But building a guitar like this with those neck woods makes the guitar heavy this way. Makes it hang like that when you have it on a strap, which is pretty annoying and uncomfortable to play. You can't really relax and play the guitar. You have to consciously propping it up and shifting straps around and so on. So, out of the blue, the client asked me to put this Bigsby tremolo bridge on. And I was very happy to do that because by putting this on, it added the extra weight that completely eliminated the ability to, it's just the way I'm holding it here, the tendency to neck dive. So this, right now, I'm so happy with this bridge that I think every time I build an SG like this, I'm probably going to coax the client to use this Bigsby bridge. It's so nice. It sounds amazing. It just rings like a bell. I'm not really going to play it for you. It's pretty late right now and I'm a left-hander. It's a right-hander guitar. It's all down tuned too. But this thing has a lot of natural volume, a lot of sustain, and a lot of harmonic overtones and so on. How I deviated from the regular design also too, I've done a few things, let me show you. I've done a coil tap for the pickups, right? So this knob when pulled up splits both pickups to single coils. I have done a very beautiful dark red satin finish. If you look, that's not a gloss finish, that's very nice satin. Sorry, I keep rubbing dust off because I was doing some dusty work in here. Then too, I did 24 frets instead of 22, and there's also a 0 fret up here, which you don't see on many guitars these days, but I've been using it because having a 0 fret here gives you more consistency between the fretted notes and open notes with regard to string height, intonation, and sound, because usually when you have a bone or plastic nut up here, there can be some tonal difference between that open note and the fretted note, which is when you're bearing down on the brass fret. Most frets are really mostly brass. So unless you have a brass nut, there's an inconsistency in sound, you know, theoretically. But having the 0 fret here is a great way to sort of even out the problems you can have with the nut, because if you don't have an expertly cut nut here with regard to the height, the type of material, and the angle that the strings go in, if it's not perfectly done, you get problems with intonation, you get problems with the string buzzing as well. So this is a nice feature to have, and I've really been incorporating it on my guitars recently. Unless it's a specific type of vintage replica, I will work a 0 fret into it. But that's my update. I mean, it's a really beautiful guitar. I hope the camera catches it well. It's very beautiful in person, but I guess maybe the crappy camera may not really get all the nuances. I did build a pickguard for this. I should show you because it's so nice looking. This is the pickguard I built it, but I'm leaving it up to the client to see whether he wants to attach it permanently or not. He's not sure, so I'm going to just give it to him and let him attach it if he feels to do that. Alright, so that's just a little quick video on this guitar I recently built. Hope you like it.